Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for our affiliate training. Today I want to introduce you to Zarges and why Zarges is the best case on earth. I'll also tell you everything you need to know about Zarges affiliate program and most importantly, how you can start cashing commission checks as a Zarges affiliate. First things first, let me introduce you to Zarges. This company has been around since 1933 when Walter Zarges started building various aluminum products in his little workshop in Germany. Fast forward to today, and Zarges is manufacturing top-notch aluminum cases in 3 amazing facilities across Europe. The one near Munich, Germany produces over 150,000 cases per year. Plus, they have in-house testing labs where they ensure that each case meets the highest quality standards. Impressive, right? Now let me tell you why Zarges is known as the best case on earth. Sure, they look stunning. You might have seen them as backdrops in your favorite movies like Marvel and Star Wars, but it's not just about the looks, my friends. These cases are built to last. But the beauty of a Zarges is more than skin deep. The latches have been tested to over 20,000 opening and closing cycles and require 5 pounds of pressure to open and close. Our competition is less than 1 pound. This ensures the latches will not pop open when a fully loaded case is dropped. An environmental seal is located inside the lid, so it's well protected when throwing your gear in the case, and it will keep the case watertight and dust-free for years to come. The spring-loaded handles stay out of your way when you don't need them, and in the back, there's a full-length stainless steel piano hinge that will never wear out. These stacking corners allow you to safely stack several cases, up to 2,000 pounds to be exact. So yes, you can step on a Zarges case. You can't hurt them. In fact, your Zarges case will last a lifetime. This beauty was used for nearly 30 years by our friend Pepe Culver. As part of the US ski team, Pepe transported his gear all over the world in this case. Try that in a plastic case. I don't think so. These cases are made of aircraft grade aluminum, which has 7 times the tensile strength of plastic. And guess what? They weigh about half as much as plastic cases. So not only are they strong, but they also offer 20% more storage space in the same footprint. It's a win-win. Now, unlike plastic, the Zarges case will withstand extreme heat and cold. Your case is safe anywhere on this planet from -200, that will shatter a plastic case, and up to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, that will warp a plastic case. So Zarges cases are beautiful and durable. What we have here is the iconic Zarges K470 case. There are over 25 sizes of this model. It's grizzly bear proof. Yes, the US Forest Service does test for that. Check out a fun video of a very frustrated grizzly bear on our website. Originally, the K470 was designed for military use. It's built to MIL 810 standards and used by soldiers all over the world. This is the case that goes to the desert, to the Antarctic, and gets thrown off the back of Humvees while protecting sensitive gear. Trust me, it will do just fine protecting your overland gear, camera gear, firearms, drones, or anything else of value. There are tons of accessories available for the K470. Check out this bamboo top to transform your case into a desk or a cocktail table. We have plenty of internal organizing options, roof rack mounts, security, and mobility options. For greater protection, you can also add a foam interior to your case, either a simple liner or a foam fill, which allows you to cut the foam to fit your gear. It's easy to do by following our online video, or you can opt for the full custom package and we'll design the interior and CNC laser cut the foam for your requirements. As a Zarges affiliate, you can offer all these great products and earn a commission on every sale you make. The cases are shipped the next day directly from our warehouse in Charlotte, North Carolina. All you have to do is promote the product and make sure everyone uses your affiliate code when they order. The affiliate portal on our website gives you real-time information about orders and commissions due to you at the end of the month. And there are tons of assets you will have access to on the portal: photos, images, logos, and pre-formatted postings. How do you promote Zarges? First, post Zarges on your social media. If you're not the creative posting type, we can provide ready-made content with your code, so all you have to do is post. Next, introduce Zarges at community events, trade shows, and sports meets. We can even provide you with signage, promotional flags, canopy tents, and various swag items to hand out. If you have a retail shop, we also offer point-of-sale displays. Finally, as a Zarges affiliate, we'll provide business cards and flyers with your code. Just hand them out everywhere you go. As part of the Zarges team, we look forward to sending you bigger and bigger commission checks every month. Our team is passionate about Zarges cases, and we want to help you get the word out. There are tons of great videos on our website and YouTube channel. If you have any questions, or if we can help you with an event, don't hesitate to call or email our sales team. We'll keep you up to date on new products with our affiliate newsletter and invite you to affiliate webinars. And because we love giving stuff away, there are plenty of contests and prizes for top performers. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Zarges cases are an absolute game changer when it comes to protecting your valuable gear. Whether it's for your next adventure or professional use, Zarges has got the perfect case for you. Don't forget to check out our website and YouTube channel for more information and amazing videos about Zarges. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. We appreciate your support. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay protected with Zarges.